Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 30 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I have given 65 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Network Ethical Hacking for Beginner Kali 2020 Hand-On. In this course, you will learn how to hacker things, hack and secure your system like Security Expert, Ethical Hacking, Kali 2020, Cyber Security. This course is 3.5 hour on-demand video, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent volunteering and certification completion. The next course is Supercharged Web Scraping with Asino and Python. In this course, you will learn the fundamental asynchronous web scraping and data mining in Python to drastically improve extraction speed. This course will 3 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Facebook page monetization with a shop for Facebook ad. In this course, you will learn set up a Facebook page, create a shop right to your Facebook page, run ad on your product, create custom audience, set up your Facebook pixel, run retargeting ads. This course is 2 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Google Professional Data Engineering Practice Test 2021. In this course, you will learn pass exam with confidence in first attempt, easily, accurate, and verify answer as experience in the actual test. This course includes 3 practice tests, full lifetime access, Excel and mobile. The next course is Amazon AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Practice Exam. In this course, include 3 practice tests, full lifetime access, Excel mobile. The next course is Facebook Ad, Instagram Ad Messenger Ads Ultimate Course. In this course, you will learn the most competitive Facebook Ads and Instagram Ads Course 2021 from the internet efficiently awarded winning instructor. This course is 25 hour on-demand video, 26 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Machine Learning and Deep Learning with Python and R. In this course, you will learn how to solve real-life problems using the machine learning technique, machine learning models such as linear regression, logistic regression, KNN, etc., advanced machine learning models such as decision tree, XGBoost, random forest, SVM, etc., understanding of basics and statistics and concept of machine learning, how to do basic statistical operation and run ML models in Python, in-depth knowledge of data collection and data pre-processing for machine learning problem, how to convert business problem into a machine learning problem. This course is 35 hour on-demand video, 4 articles, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is how to make an e-commerce website with WordPress for beginners. In this course, you will learn to use WordPress WooCommerce plugin and Elementor page builder with the free extra theme without any code knowledge. This course is 4 hour on-demand video to full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Python and Flex Framework complete course for beginner. In this course, you will learn Python basic to advanced concept, go from beginner to advanced in Python programming by learning all the basic object-oriented programming, write script and general productivity tasks, read and comprehend Python code, gain knowledge in regard of general programming concept, use variable to store, retrieve and calculate information, utilize core programming tools such as functional and loop. Flex Framework basic to advanced. Flex Framework variable to URL building HTTP method. This course is 12.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner 8 High-Level Test 520 question. This course includes 6 practice tests, full lifetime access, external world. The next course is Certified Kubernetes Administrator Practice Test 2021. This course is 3 practice tests, full lifetime access, external world. The next course is IT Security 101 Cyber Security for Beginner. In this course, you will learn the cybersecurity best practice tips on securing computer network for internal and external IT security threats. This course is 32 minutes on-demand video, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is PMI PBA Business Analytics Certification Practice Exam. This course will 5 practice tests, full lifetime access, exam mobile. The next course is technical writing, common DITA, exam map, and topic element. This course includes 2 on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Google Slide presentation using Canvas for non-designer. In this course, you will learn to create a beautiful presentation, use Google Slide for free, save money on not buying Microsoft PowerPoint, save your work in the cloud, collaboration on your presentation with remote team, use Pixabay and Canvas to make great design. This course is 1 on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Adobe Premiere Pro CC Essential Video Editing 0 to Hero. In this course, you will learn video editing course for beginner and YouTube, Facebook, Instagram video editing master class basic to advanced. This course is 4 on-demand video, 2 article, 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Animation 101, learning the basic in Toon Move Harmony. In this course, you will learn 2D animated and how to navigate Toon Boni Harmony. This course is 30 minutes on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Mastering Architecture, Night and HDR Photography. In this course, you will learn how to shoot architectural photos. We will learn how to edit architectural photos. This course is 35 minutes on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Beginner, Improve Video Production and Video Creation in 1 day. In this course, you will learn go from absolute beginner to a solid intermediate level to video creation quality in just few days. Be able to create high quality videos. Shorten your video creation and editing learning curve. Get better results on YouTube or Udemy because of higher video quality. This course is 2 on-demand video, 2 articles, 9 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is step-by-step guide to buying business like a private equality. In this course, you will learn how to find great business that fits your lifestyle, how to analyze the value and business to answer what the seller is asking, how to finance a business acquisition without risking your own capital, how to identify a great idea and make an offer on it, how to ensure a due diligence is done properly and close to a new business. This course is 2 on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Personal Branding, Path to Top 1 Influencer Personal Brand. In this course, you will use personal branding to create a self-brand business and gain financial independence, monetize your self-brand business, learn the different personal branding plans to recognize as a leader in your niche, set up and run the podcast to YouTube show and boost your personal branding and position on your influence, branding yourself on an authority with a book and a bestseller. Use effectively ads and email marketing to grow rapidly and create stronger personal brand. This course is 5.5 on-demand video, 2 article, 15 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Start Selling Online on Dallas E-commerce in Pakistan. In this course, you will learn e-commerce, dropshipping, online business, product research. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Work from Home, the Amazon FBA Master Plan. In this course, you will learn over 20 highly detailed and manual and 20 tutorials step by step to connect the dots instruction. Create multiple best-selling products to Amazon.com using my precious proven 0 to hero method. Build a world-class premium product brand with real value, quickly, easily, and without needing to spend any money. Forge an empire for the comfort of your own home by thinking about the practicing online business in radically new way. This is much easier to have considerable for more financial potential than blogging, affiliate market, eBay, AdSense, MLL, and other types of online business model. This course is 3 on-demand video, 3 articles, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Becoming a Recruitment and Selection Specialist. In this course, you will understand the selection process, requires in the Grow model, interview the question process, discovering a way to retain talent and measure growth. This course is 2 on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Interpersonal Skills, Work Better with Others. In this course, you will learn make a whole life easier and happen reduce the stress and promote faster with ability to work well with others. This course is 1.5 on-demand view of full lifetime access, exam modality, assigned and certification mission. The next course is develop your listening skills to sign at work and in life. In this course, you will learn to help you developing practicing your listening skills, essential ability to learn both in personal and professional life of create positivity and this course is one on-demand view of full lifetime access, exam modality, assigned and certification mission. The next course is CBT certificate. In this course, you will learn CBT, psychology, skills, understanding where the psychology problem comes under from, what to do them, manage antiseptic depression, OCD, PTSD, insomnia, addiction, and more. This course is 4.5 on-demand view, 8 articles, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam modality, and certification mission. The next course is biostatistical clinical research. In this course, you will learn everything about biostatistical clinical research, statistics, probability, linear regression, and correlation. These courses 6 are on-demand view of full lifetime access, exam modality, and certification mission. The next course is Japanese language course MISG NOE Program Level 1. In this course, you will learn go beyond the MISJ Welcome program in the most efficient, effective, and enjoyable way. This course is 16 hour on-demand video, 45 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external modality, and certification mission. The next course is Japanese for beginner based on MISJ version 2. In this course, you will learn basic Japanese pronunciation, writing and reading a Japanese character, hiragana and katakana, basic knowledge of grammar to make sentence that essential for creating speech and writing, sentence-based daily and practical conversion skill which reflect your intelligence, Japanese background culture. You have know to maintain good relationship. This course in 28 hour on-demand video, 61 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification mission. The next course is MISJ Welcome Program Section 3. In this course, you will learn how to handle adjective and verb conjugation in Japanese. This course is 9 hour on-demand video, full 15 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. All the course links are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.